Hey guys, today I'm making mielie cake or mielie bread. Start by removing the husk from the mielies and then giving it a quick rinse. Then use a sharp knife to remove the kernels from the cob. Place them into a blender jug along with the milk and blend for a few seconds or till coarsely ground. In a large bowl, add in your softened butter and condensed milk and cream it together well. Then mix in the eggs. It's best to do this with a whisk to prevent any large lumps. Then add in the ground mielie mixture and mix it well. Add in the baking powder and flour and mix till just combined. Be careful not to overmix. Grease a 6-cup muffin pan and divide the batter equally. Then bake in a 180-degree oven for 12 to 15 minutes. Remove it from the oven, allow it to cool slightly, and it's ready to serve. I served mine with some butter and jam. Enjoy! Thanks for watching guys. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.